Recently, a reader on the Knots forum asked how to create and edit tenon pins. This video will show how I do this on a modern Danish style desk I'm building now. Here is the desk without tenon pins. I'll hide the top so you can see the basic construction with rails and drawer runners and kickers. I'll pull out the drawer end assembly. The joinery at the front legs is shown here. You can see the front and side rails with their associated tenons. To add the tenon pins, I'll pull a copy of the front leg over here to the right of the desk assembly. Now to zoom into the joint area of the upper leg. And I can temporarily turn on X-ray so you can see the internal mortises. I'll zoom further into this lower mortise area and lay out guidelines to locate the position of the tenon pin. Use the tape measure to find the center of the mortise. Then create a guide point 3/8 inch off the edge. Use the circle tool to create a 1/4 inch diameter circle. Then with the push-pull tool, create a hole for the tenon peg. You can see the other end of the hole on the back side of the leg. Let's assume I'm not happy with the size of the tenon peg hole and want to reduce it to 3/16 inch diameter. Choose the eraser tool and delete the front circle. Then orbit around to delete the circle at the other end. This removes all of the previous tenon peg. Note that the leg faces automatically heal themselves. Then pick the circle tool and place a circle at the new radius, 3/32 inch, and again use the push-pull tool to finish the hole all the way to the other end of the leg. That looks better, so I'll delete the guideline. But I like to have the center of the holes shown on my full-size templates. So I right-click on the circle and pick Point at Center in the menu. This places a guideline or a guide point at the center and will show up in my drawings for positioning the drill. On the desk assembly, you can now see all the legs with the associated tenon pin. I can now add tenon pins to the remainder of the mortises in the legs.